Siti Nofazira binti Rasid. I am 21 years old. I am from Kelantan and my course is Management of Technology.
My course is Bachelor Muamalat and Administration.
And we are UUM students.
University Utara Malaysia is the only university to be known as the University Jungle Green. University Utara Malaysia is the only university to be known as the University Jungle Green.
Yes, it is located in Sintok, Kedah. This university is surrounded by an environment full of flora and fauna. Flora and fauna is a natural feature should be preserved and maintained as to avoid the flora and fauna destroy and die quickly. Farah, can you explain what you understand about nature?
Sure. What I understand about nature is all living things and non-living things occurring naturally on the surface of the nature or part of it. Nature also can be called flora and fauna. Nature includes several main components, which are landscape units that function as natural systems without human involvement, including plants, animals, and so on, as well as natural phenomena that occur. Other than that, is university natural resources and physical phenomena that do not have certain limitations, such as air, water, and climate, as well as energy, radiation, electric charge, and magnetism, which does not exist as a result of human activity.
Yes, exactly, Farah. Among the nature of the existing environment in UUM is lake.
This beautiful lake is held between hostel and the classes area where you can kayaking there.
Yes, students are encouraged to go there with their friends when they are free.
We do believe very strongly that kayaking is the best way to spare your leisure time.
You can enjoy the clean air, beautiful environment without thinking about assignment, exam, and everything that make you stress. Besides that, the environment in UUM also filled with green plants which can make us fresh and calm. The famous tree at here is Sintuk tree, or scientifically Entada spiralis. Sintuk tree close to Gulf UUM centuries old.
Not only that, UUM also has animal park like ostrich, horse, duck, deer, bird, chicken, and peacocks, which are very beautiful. We also have a lot of monkeys in the forest.
Wow, nature is a lot here. So, we want to show to audience where the venue of nature.
Of course, let us see the accommodation in UUM.
Let's go. don't feel too surprised that there is an ostrich farm inside our UUM. This is because we are the university in the green forest. That's why you can see many different creatures living and nature in our university beside the human beings. We also have ostrich, was one known as the camel bird because of its long necks, prominent eyes, squinty eyelash, as well as its floating walk. The ostrich is the largest and heaviest living bird.
Did you know that in November 2013, 6 ostrich, 2 males and 4 females were kept in the UUM campus, but now we have 1 male and 3 females only. Their food include grain pellets, goat coin, and grass, vegetables, fruits, and so on. Besides ostrich, in UUM also have peacock. Fazira, did you have seen the peacock in UUM?
Yes.
Is it beautiful, right?
Yes.
Peacock is a type of bird that has very beautiful feather. In UUM, we have 2 peacocks. Peacock is a creation of a very beautiful nature.
The area situated of peacock is area Mas Lake. Students can come and look the beautiful peacock head here.
Other than that, UUM also have a equine center. Equine center was established in 2008 and is an outstanding facility for horse-loving community with 14 horses. The center provides horse riding service, horse ground and a train service for campus tour. UUM also have a deer park. Deer park is one of the recreational park which is many people like to come, especially for children. The type of deers in this park are from Cervus timorensis. Mostly visitors come and feeding them, like give some breads or fruits during in the evening. Other than animals, UUM also have a bamboo garden. Bamboo garden located in the middle of UUM campus. This garden has a beautiful scenery and become the main place for UUM members make it as a field photography session. This is because the environment looks very beautiful. The cloudy area with lush bamboo trees is very suitable for students doing recreational activity.
Bamboo Garden also is the selection place of students to record pictures, especially during the graduation day.
Besides flora and fauna, in UUM also have 2 lakes. The lake is also a nature. The lake is a physical nature in the form of a water reservoir, not part of the ocean. The lake water flowing slowly, and most water in the lake is fresh water. At here, we can enjoy the beauty of the lake. Besides that, the beauty of lake also can provide peace of soul and mind.
In UUM, we have 2 lakes, namely Guthrie Lake and Mas Lake. The Guthrie Lake situated area Sam Darby student accommodation, and Mas Lake situated area between class and Mas student accommodation. The lake is equipped with boat and kayaking. The lake is visited by many people because the beauty of the lake and a peaceful environment. As a student, we can release our stress after study at here by doing jogging, relax, fishing at area the lake in the evening, and also can improve our fitness.
Alright, that's all about the several interesting nature places in UUM. We feel very lucky because we are the chosen one to become these university students. There are many places that students can visit if they want to do recreational activities, release tension with their study, and so on.
I guess by looking at the beauty of nature, we can get the peaceful feeling within ourselves. So let us together protect the nature in this world kindly to maintain it until the future. Alright, that's all our video. We hope you all enjoy watching it.
Assalamualaikum and bye.
And bye.